Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to TCA. So in today's lecture, we are going to take a lecture on how to prepare for TSPSC AMVI RTO examination. So in the previous lecture, we saw the scheme of examination, syllabus, okay, and eligibility criteria. And as we said earlier, to continue the series, today we are going to take the lecture on this topic, how to prepare for TSPSC AMVI examination. Now see here, in this lecture, we will just see the step-by-step procedure for the preparation, but the details such as the syllabus, exam pattern, and the previous year question papers, which will be mentioned in this lecture, you have to collect it from your side, because today's lecture is fully concentrated on the preparation procedure or the preparation strategy. Okay, but this lecture is very useful. Okay, this lecture is very beneficial and this lecture is very unique because with using the CIP technique, we have to crack this examination. And what is this technique? We will discuss. Okay, now let us start this lecture. The three most important things while starting the preparation for an examination are, first of all, we must see exam pattern, that is selection procedure, and the pattern of the examination. Okay, that means it's like before playing the any game, we should know the rules of this game. It's like the rules of the game. Knowing the exam pattern is like knowing the rules of the game. Okay, so this is first most fundamental thing we must know. Okay, after knowing the exam pattern, you will get a fair idea about what to do and when to do. Now, after knowing the exam pattern, you must know the syllabus for the given examination. It is general for all types of examination, but it's telling for AMVI. And third most important thing is previous year's question paper. Okay, if you get it from the TSPSC portal, you can get it, or you can see the 2015 paper. Or if you do not get it, then what to do, I will tell you. You just list down the examinations on similar qualification of your board and other state boards and download the question papers on of these technical examinations which require the mechanical or automobile engineering as a base qualification. Okay, so three most important things you must do. You must know exam pattern, syllabus, and previous year's question papers. This will give you a fair idea about the examination difficulty level and exact things which have to be covered to crack the examination. So first of all, you have to do these three things. Then what next? We have discussed the scheme of examination in earlier lecture. So just pause the screen and read out. This is the old pattern. I don't know, in the upcoming period, there might be possible that the part B of the interview might be skipped. Just keep in mind, this is the pattern of the examination conducted in 2015. Paper 1, 150 mark. Paper 2, automobile, 300 marks total. 450 marks are there for written examination and 50 marks for interview. Now see, you can see this pattern by downloading the notification. Also, I will advise you to see the syllabus and the question papers as well. After completing this procedure, there are 4 pillars of the preparation. Keep in mind, nobody is going to tell you these 4 preparations pillars. Only the guidance is given like do revision, do study, do revision, do study. But nobody tells about the mock test. Nobody tells about the practice. And this is the most important thing. These are the most important things in the preparation. Okay. But we skip it and we leave it and we miss it by some marks. To get proper success, to qualify the examination, you must do this study, revision, practice, mock test. Study is to cover all the syllabus topics as per the examination pattern. Okay. So for this, I have told you, see the syllabus, see the exam pattern, analyze the previous year question paper, and then do study according to your plan. Select the study material. We have made the video for study material as well. Watch that video. I will share the link with you also. So study material book list is already provided with you. If any updates available, I will post it. Okay. So to cover all the points, do study properly. After completing the study, to remember each and every point which you have studied till the examination, you have to revise it again and again. So Do study, but don't leave it. Revise it properly to memorize up till the examination. Study plus revision is equal to proper study. Keep in mind, study plus no revision will not effectively do your study. But if you study and revise it properly, then you are ready to attempt the questions. Now, third most important pillar is the practice. Why should we do the practice? See, if Sachin Tendulkar read out the books of the cricket and directly play the World Cup, will he be the champion in the cricket? If any cricketer doesn't do a practice, or if any singer doesn't do a practice, if any actor doesn't do a rehearsal, will he successful in his life? Without a practice, nobody is going to get a success. So you have to practice number of questions. You have to practicize the number of questions which are based on the similar lines of the examination. Otherwise, if you go directly after studying into the examination hall, the question might become like the Yorkers, question might become like the bouncers, and you have not practiced that bouncers. You have not practiced that typical types of nature of that questions, and you will be clean bold in the examination. So if you practice properly each and every type of the MCQ question on the basis of that particular post, then you can easily tackle that question in the examination. Okay, this is a part of practice. Why I'm comparing it with the sport? Because to know you, to let you know the importance of that third pillar of this preparation, I am letting you know. Okay, so study, revision, practice are three, and fourth most important thing is mock test. Why mock test? See, I will know you certain example. If you go inside the examination hall, you do study, you do revision, you do practice. But what about the stress management? What about the time management? Okay, these two things are also important. So to get a read of the difficulties arised from the stress management and the time management, you must solve maximum number of mock tests to assure you the specific target which is required to get succeed in that examination. So mock test is also an important thing, and how to solve the mock test is based on the CIP, continuous improvement process. See, what is a continuous improvement process? You have to attempt the mock test one. When you should attempt, you have to first do at least 80% of the syllabus cover, then revise it, then practice the number of MCQs, and then only you can attempt the mock test. On the what is meant by the mock test? Mock test is exact test which is the same as that of the main examination, which are going to appear in the examination hall. Okay, the question paper exactly similar to that question paper which is available in our examination hall at the day. Okay, so attempt the test one which is exactly equal to the our real examination, then calculate your score, whatever may be the score. It might be the 5%, 10%, 50% of the total. Analyze the result, analyze the reasons for the low scores, such as time management. Why score is low? Ask the questions and note down why score is low. It may be the time management, it may be the stress management, whatever may be the reasons, note down it. Then on the next page, what are the improvements to be needed to improvise your score? Write down the improvements to be needed. We have to increase the sitting time for the study. We have to increase the practice. We have to increase the revision. We have to increase the concentration. We have to focus on the high weightage topics. Whatever may be the improvements needed, you have to apply it and apply that improvements in the mock test too, and then calculate your score, then analyze the result. Okay, and then repeat the same procedure again and again till your mock test complete and till your examination. See that your graph will be increasing continuously and you will reach at the top. Okay, at the top means at the target which you wanted to crack that examination. And this is the unique technique which is developed by the TCA, Tuljai Career Academy, Tuljapur. So once again, I will request all of you, those who haven't subscribed to the TCA, please do subscribe. And for further updates, please join the link Telegram channel regarding the course update, regarding the advertisement, whatever may be the discussions. Please join the following link. And if you like this video, share among your friends. And if there are any mistakes, I will try to improvise it. Suggest me. Okay. Thank you once again. We will meet in upcoming lecture. But keep in mind 4 pillars of the preparation: study, revision, practice, and mock test, and prepare according to the given 4 pillars. And first of all, that exam pattern, syllabus, and previous question papers. Okay. For study material, we have already made the video. You can see it on the YouTube. Okay, and syllabus, exam pattern, eligibility criteria video is also posted. So thank you. We will meet in the next lecture. Okay.